Understanding a gift to honor you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that you might come across in English: a gift to honor you. It's a phrase that carries a lot of warmth and respect, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how and when you can use it. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into its key components: a gift and to honor you. A gift refers to something given willingly to someone without expecting anything in return. It can be tangible, like a book or flowers, or intangible, like an offer of help or a kind gesture. To honor you means to show respect or recognition to someone. It implies acknowledging someone's efforts, achievements, or qualities in a positive way. So, when we say, a gift to honor you, we're talking about a present given to someone specifically to show respect, admiration, or appreciation for them. This phrase is perfect for occasions where you want to express gratitude or recognition. This could be celebrating personal milestones like birthdays, graduations, or promotions, acknowledging someone's help, support, or influence in your life or career, recognizing special achievements, contributions to a community, or acts of kindness. When giving a gift to honor someone, think about what they value, what makes them happy, or what they need. The thoughtfulness behind the gift often speaks louder than the gift itself. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can come to life. A student might give their mentor a gift to honor their guidance and support throughout their academic journey. A community might present a gift to a retiring member to honor their years of service. Friends or family might give a gift to someone to honor a significant personal achievement, like completing a marathon. In each case, the gift serves as a physical symbol of respect, appreciation, and recognition. A gift to honor you is more than just a phrase. It's a heartfelt expression of respect and appreciation. Whether you're on the giving or receiving end, it's a reminder of the impact we have on each other's lives. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of this phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Take care, and see you in the next video.